There's a new technology that has come online that is just revolutionary in all aspects of life sciences, and certainly it has great application for poison ivy, and that's called genome editing. And one particular method for that is called CRISPR-Cas9. And in order to get CRISPR-Cas9 to work in poison ivy, we're going to need the ability to buy some very custom designed and actually custom manufactured DNA sequences that we can use for putting into poison ivy to make very precise changes in the poison ivy genes, particularly genes that we're interested in that have to do with making urushiol. It may be very possible to control these plants around humans while letting them survive fine outside of human-managed landscapes, out in forests, where it can continue to survive. We only have to find one bona fide urushiol biosynthetic gene, and then we can use these genome editing technologies to basically take Toxicodendron radicans, poison ivy, and turn it into D-Toxicodendron radicans. And then and only then will we really understand what bang for the buck urushiol is giving poison ivy. Our greatest expense, by and large, are the investment in the people that do the research. And in my laboratory, those are graduate students and undergraduates who obtain training in these techniques, master those skills, and then push poison ivy research forward using those skills. There are stipends that we need to pay graduate students, or if we have undergraduates working during the summer, we need to pay them wages so that they can eat before they come and do research or have an apartment to sleep in at night. So by and large, our greatest expense is really the training of new scientists. Another aspect of the ITCHY project that I'm very excited for is developing and training citizen scientists to help contribute to the research. For example, with the ITCHY cell phone app, what we want to be able to do is to go to various civic organizations like Master Naturalists or Master Gardeners and get this app in their hands and actually provide training for them to help them identify poison ivy or identify animals that are eating it or insects that are eating it, or maybe even diseases that are affecting it, which would also be very, we'd be interested in. It requires money to first just develop, for the software engineers to develop the app. But the other aspect that's equally important is this public engagement where we ideally can go in person and help train groups of people to use this app, or in other cases develop online tutorials and videos so that we can provide that instruction remotely if we can't actually meet with them in person. But the ability to turn research not just as an academic pursuit, but a pursuit that's cooperative with citizens as well, is a part that really excites me about the ITCHY project.